Did you know that learning Microsoft Power BI can be the smartest move in a civil engineer's career right now? Because construction companies in India and abroad are hiring professional civil engineers who can build smart dashboards like this. And if you aspire to work or grow with these companies, you must learn Power BI skills. Civil engineers can easily build interactive MIS dashboards. Hi, I am Shripad Khaparde, a civil engineer with 30 years experience in India and abroad. I am going to help you for perfect planning and monitoring tools in Microsoft Power BI. Join my 3 days online boot camp where you will learn to prepare amazing dashboards from project data without applying any coding knowledge. Don't let outdated data management methods hold you back. Invest in Power BI training and revolutionize the way you handle real-time data and MIS in your construction business. I will see you in the workshop.
Welcome to the ultimate journey of mastering Microsoft Power BI for construction management. I'm Shripad Khaparde, bringing over 30 years of hands-on experience in construction projects, both in India and abroad. In this course, we'll explore why Microsoft Power BI is a game changer for civil engineers and how it can revolutionize project planning in control. Construction management involves planning, coordinating, and overseeing various aspects of a construction project, ensuring it is completed on time, within budget, and meets quality standards. It encompasses a range of activities, including project planning, scheduling, resource management, cost control, and communication among stakeholders. Why do civil engineers need Power BI? In the dynamic world of construction, data analytics and decision-making play a crucial role. Power BI empowers you to transform raw data into actionable insights, making it an indispensable tool for every civil engineer. Let's dive into our course curriculum. We start with a hands-on tutorial, taking you from an Excel workbook to a stunning report in Power BI desktop in just 40 minutes. You'll witness the magic of turning data into visually appealing dashboards. We will then apply Microsoft Power BI specifically to civil engineering projects, focusing on understanding and automating daily project reports from the construction site. Learn to create tailor-made DPRs, daily progress reports, converted to interactive dashboards that simplify project tracking. Site engineers can feed daily project reports, and with single refresh, we will get interactive dashboards in Power BI at head office. Our journey continues with dedicated modules on project introduction pages, LMP, labor, material, and plant, components, revenue, cost, and profit dashboards. Uncover the power of visualizations in presenting complex project information with ease. Civil engineers, this course is designed for you to implement Power BI tools across all facets of construction management. Whether you are dealing with project timelines, resource management, or financials, Power BI will be your ally in making informed decisions. You can access live mastery camp, recorded course, or avail elite membership to get personal assistance from me. Course curriculum includes creating multiple dashboards as per project and management requirement. Installing Microsoft Power BI Desktop, my first PBI report, report preparation tutorial, creating daily progress report, project information cards, project revenue by month year, LMP, labor, material, plant, resources, progress, planned versus actual, MPR monthly progress report. Join me on this exciting journey of mastering Microsoft Power BI for construction management. Let's elevate your skills and transform the way you approach data analytics in the world of modern construction engineering. See you in the course.
Welcome, my dear civil engineer friends. Here I am introducing you a Microsoft Power BI utilization for the construction project. Okay, this is a very new concept, and all the daily progress report, daily data, whatever we are collecting from the sites, that we are formatting in the form of a input data to the Microsoft Power BI, which will give us a interactive dashboards of all the project information. Which are these project information? That is our daily revenue, daily profit or daily loss, daily resources, cumulative monthly yearly resources, and from which we can take the decision for our project, for the project completion. Okay, and the same can be utilized for the presentation to our client, to our management or the stakeholder of our project. So in this short video I will explain you how we are going to utilize Microsoft Power BI for the construction project. Engineers, you are aware that we collect all the project information from our site. Okay, what is that information? On the day-to-day basis, we collect the material purchase at the site, bill of quantities executed at the site, material consumed, whatever the available resources at the site, that is the manpower, machinery and the material. So all these activities we have to incorporate in this daily progress report format. Okay, so just you will understand that we have the tender BOQ, that is bill of quantity, atom is there, estimated quantity, unit and the rate. So this will give us the tender description. Okay, what is our next thing? That during the execution stage, in the execution stage we enter all the information. If we have done the excavation, we enter the excavation quantity multiplied by the tender rate, that will give us the revenue, and the machinery is engaged for that excavation, maybe the excavator, trucks, JCB, diesel consume, manpower, supervisor, our engineer, staff at the site, and the site expenditure, that we all include in our daily progress report. Or if we do some other activity like the brickwork, or if there is a material purchase, that also we include in our bill of, that we include in our daily progress report. Okay, and all this daily progress report data, if it is configured in this type of daily progress report sheet, then you will see the dashboard, project dashboard of that particular day, particular month, or in the cumulative format. So let us go there. Okay, to the Microsoft Power BI. Okay, we are here in Microsoft Power BI software, where I have downloaded or uploaded that daily progress report. Okay, and from that daily progress report, what type of information I have collected? That is the project start date, project completion date, days completed, balance days, then the total tender value, budgeted cost, revenue amount, and the estimated profit. Okay, now what is our performance? That is in the 2022, this is my revenue. In the 2023, this is my revenue, 2 crore 59 lakh. Okay, now the month wise also I can bifurcate my revenue. That is, in the month of the July, my revenue is 77 lakhs, 69 lakhs, then 1 crore 30 lakhs, 2 crore 23, like this. Okay, so the cumulative revenue in the 2022 is 6 crore 22 lakhs 31,860. The same will be for the 2023. All this information we can collect on the daily basis also. LMP sheet we can produce, that means labor, material and the plant. How the costs are incurring as per the heads, that is the material head, site maintenance cost, machinery cost, mobilization cost, we can bifurcate and present in a very interactive manner to the management or the client. All these data are interconnected. Like the site, if I click on the site maintenance cost, only the site maintenance cost will be visible. Okay. Profit also we can calculate on the cumulative basis. This is the cumulative profit by the year, profit by the month also we can calculate. Okay. So this is Microsoft Power BI is a very important tool for filtering and handling the project information data, from which we can take valuable decisions, okay, in the favor of the project. All the details also you can get from the Microsoft Power BI, that is from the back, whatever is your backend data sheet that will work as a input, and once you update the backend data sheet, the same thing will be updated here with a just click of the refresh. Now the material purchase, material consumed, mobilization, overhead charges, subcontractor labors, each and everything day wise, month wise you can bifurcate. Okay. Daily resources also we can calculate. So I think each and every civil engineer must learn Microsoft Power BI and utilize it as our career boosting tool, so that your productivity, your company's productivity will be enhanced, and you can take a decision from your office, and the total information of the project will be handy to you. Okay. So this is the daily resources. You can check the estimated versus balance quantity and estimated versus balance profit also. Okay. So all this information will be handy to you. So I welcome all of my friends. Okay. I welcome all of my friends, all of my civil engineers to my Power BI Mastery Camp. Okay, 3 days, which I conduct on every weekend. So you are welcome there.